So, basically, you guys already know what this video is about. As you guys can tell in the title, this video is about shape-ups, okay? And I really didn't come out with this video early on because I felt like, as a barber, I was still, really trying to learn, and I was still in the learning process. I'm still in the learning process right now, but, I feel like I'm a better barber. I feel more comfortable doing this on camera because, as you guys can see, when we did the scalping video, I lined myself up in front of you guys. I felt like, that was more like seeing, if things went wrong, if I could actually do it. So when I found out I could do it, I was like, bet I'm gonna make this video this year, cause a lot of you guys been asking about it, and we gonna make this video. We gonna make this video. So basically, I scalped. I'm waiting for my hair to grow, but you know what? I got like hair overlapping and all that over my ears, and I'm not digging that. I'm not digging that look. So we're basically gonna go ahead. We're gonna talk about shape ups in this video. Alright, you already know. That this exact position, the tragedy happened when I cut off my waist. Oh dear God, help me. Oh my God. Okay, you guys already saw that video. If you guys haven't seen that video, you guys might want to go see that video. The video is going to be like over here or over here somewhere. But, yeah, y'all might want to go watch that video, alright? Because that's when I scalped or restarted the process. This is why I'm doing all of this, okay? So, basically, we about to go ahead, like I said in the intro, we about to do a shape up, alright? Now, for everybody that doesn't know what a shape up is or always ask me, can I get shape ups and everything like that when I'm woofing, of course you guys can get shape ups when you guys are woofing. I always did not want to get shape ups because I wanted you guys to know that I'm woofing. Right now I'm debating, if I should get a taper or should I taper myself up, but I might not. Okay, I might just go ahead and do the lineup, keep this video nice and short for you guys. The question has always been, yo, 360 Woods, can I get a shape up when I'm woofing? Yeah, okay, you guys can get a shape up when you guys are woofing, okay? A shape up is basically, getting a taper, a lineup, but not touching the top at all, okay? Not touching the top is because you're woofing, okay? You just want to give the appearance that you're not woofing. That's the whole part of a shape up. Now, when you get so far into woofing, a shape up ain't gonna help you no more, okay? You just let it grow, okay? I mean, unless your barber's that good to where you can get up all into that and fade into that, and you really want to have like that chili bowl look with the nice little tight taper low, and then all of a sudden you got all this hair. That's your preference, not mine, okay? Now, when you're like in the early stages of woofing, then I recommend, get a shape up because it doesn't look silly, all right? But, I just kind of had to address it because that's the main question. That's the main reason why I'm making this video, because a lot of you guys have been asking that question specifically. So I just wanted to come on here. I wanted to answer that real quick for you guys, all right? But you guys already know we about to go ahead and we're going to get into shape up. I'm going to show you guys the process of what I do when I'm giving myself a lineup. First thing that I do, okay? I get a paper towel, a neck strip, anything like that, If you guys, I know you guys got paper towels at home. That's why I'm using my paper towels. Usually I use my neck strips. But you take a paper towel, you fold it up real quick in a fours like that, right? I know you guys got rubbing alcohol at home, okay? Y'all got that rubbing alcohol, okay? Now, it won't burn because you haven't put the clippers on your head yet, all right? You just go ahead. If y'all don't got rubbing alcohol, then so help you, don't use it then. All right, what the rubbing alcohol does is it removes like the oils and everything like that, and the product, whatever, all that. You go ahead, put it on the paper towel real quick. Like I said, this removes the oils, so it gives that more of a crispier, lineup look, okay? More of that crispy lineup look that you guys are probably gonna want, all right? It gives it more of that ash effect, all right? So go ahead and put that everywhere that the clippers are going to be on. Everywhere is going to be on. So the final thing that I do, this is the last thing I do to prep my lineups, okay, is I take some hairspray, okay? I have the 5 hairspray by Trusted Man, I think it's called, Mega Firm Control. This is what I use right here, okay? Now this just kind of holds it in place, also still giving it that ash, it still gives it the ash effect. Spritz works, any hairspray you guys have works. Don't use oil sheen. Y'all might get mistaken. Don't use that oil sheen. Oil sheen, barbers use that at the end sometimes. Don't use that. Hairspray only. Spritz, Trusted Man, any hairspray you guys have, it don't matter. You guys are just going to go ahead and you guys are going to spray it anywhere, like I said, that the clippers are gonna touch, just like how you deal with the either aftershave or the alcohol. After you spread it all over your lineup, you're gonna go ahead. You're gonna brush it down. Just brush it down with either your wave brush, or if you have like a little brush or whatever, like how I do. If you're a barber or whatever, you cut hair on the side. You know, you're gonna go ahead and just brush it down. Everything down. You want everything to just lay down. So you know, I have my Slimline Pro Elias. I have my Andis T outliners. You know. I'll probably use my Slimlines, just personal preference, but you guys can use any trimmer that you guys want, anything like that, to line you guys up. Either my outliners, my T outliner and its T outliners, and my Slimline Pro Elias will definitely be down in the description below. If you guys want to go ahead and pick them up, I'll leave the link to Amazon down below for you guys. All right, we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna let you guys just watch. I'm not gonna talk much through it. I might give a little tips or anything in a voiceover, but I'm not really going to be talking while I'm doing it. I'm just going to be doing it so you guys can watch it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get into it. All right, so like I said, guys, I told you guys I was going to give you guys some pointers. So when you're lining yourself up, how to not really mess yourself up is you start from the middle, and then you work your way over to one side. Once you complete that one side, then you start from the middle on the other side, work your way over, and then then you basically just cross-check yourself to make sure everything's good. But like I said, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna let you guys just watch.
nothing. Do nothing. Got that good gon' run my pain. Run my pain. Run my pain. Run my pain. A few days and she won't make plans. Won't make plans. Won't make plans. Won't make plans. On my dick like one of my fans. On my fans. On my fans. I do like Knuckles just like just like just like just like just like Knuckles like just like just like I do like myself when I'm doing my thing. Do my thing. Do my thing. Do my thing. It's don't have shit gonna put me in the drain. 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 You do good, gon' run my plane. Run my plane. Run my plane. Run my plane. Swear that shit can't run my brain. Run my brain. Run my brain. I do like Knuckles just like just like just like that shit just like just like just like Knuckles just like just like just like I do like Knuckles just like just like just like her shit just like just like
Alright, so you guys see it. Alright, you guys see it. What y'all think? You know, I'm thinking about enhancing the beard a little bit. What y'all think? You guys think I should? I mean, I already enhanced the top. I mean, should I do the beard a little bit? With a beard a little bit?
Knuckles just like just like just like I do like
Alright, enhance the beard a little bit. You guys think I should do it again? Look, guys. I'm crying. Like, I'm crying. I had a little tear. You guys think? What y'all think about me enhancing it? What y'all think? Look sharp? Look fake as hell? Like, let me know down in the comments. All right. But the video's over. All right. The video's over. You know. I get myself a shape up. All right. Like I said, shape ups are cool as long as you don't touch the top. Also, I don't think you guys seen, I turned the camera off because I didn't want the video to be too long. I gave myself a quick taper. You know, just a little quick. Just a little quick. Alright. Just gave myself a little quick taper. Don't judge it too bad. You know, let me know what you guys think. Judge the cut down in the comments below. Judge it 1 through 10. I really want to hear what you guys got to say. I mean, I feel like I did a pretty good job, whatever. I feel like I did my thing, but you know, sometimes you need like an outside opinion. You know, you need like an outside opinion sometimes because maybe your eyes, you know, you're looking at it so long, you think it's dope and it looks trash. You know what I'm saying? But that's the end of the video. You know, if you guys like this little, you know, how to do a shape up video, don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and like the video because you like the video. Why wouldn't you like the video if you like the video? And also drop down in the comments what you guys gotta say because I love going down